Namaste from Sarva. My name is Vikrant. Today we learn how to make your arms strong. So this session will be help you to increase the strength in your arms. So during this complete practice, just try to focus on your arms and feel the strength on your arm. And if you have any shoulder pain, elbow pain, and wrist pain, so guys, just take care of yourself. Do as much as you can. Don't force the body. So first you want to sit on your mat in a comfortable posture. Keep your spine straight, very good. Now take a Namaskar mudra front of the chest, center of your heart. Good job. So now here, just place your fingertips on your chin and look up towards sky, towards ceiling, and feel the nice stretch with the third line. Hold here. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Very good one. Now interlock your finger and place your palm crown of your hand. Now your chin on your collarbone. Yes, very good. Very good. And feel the nice stretch back of your neck. Hold here. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Very good one. Good job. Now unlock your finger. Now place your right palm on your head. Yes, very good. And drop your right ear on your right shoulder and place your head toward right side on. Very good. Now place your left palm on the floor and feel the nice stretch on your left side. Hold here for 5 count. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And very good one. Good job. Now side change. It's very good. Same with the other side again. Now hold here again. 5, 4, feel the nice stretch on your right side. 4, 3, 2, 1. Good job, one. Very good. Now keep your both hands steady on both sides. Very good. Take a first one. So now here I'm going to do restoration. 1, 2. Feel the moment to do this. 3, 4, 5. Good job. Anti-clockwise. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good job, one. Very good. Now place your fingertips on your chin, on your elbows now. Very good. Now inhale, your elbows up. Expand your lungs and exhale. Your elbows down. Only one, just keep continuing. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. 3 more times. Inhale and exhale. And feel the movement in the shoulders. Inhale, exhale. One more last time. Inhale, exhale. Very good. Just keep your elbows on. Good job. So now here, now exhale. You both elbows together and inhale. Expand your lungs. Very good. Exhale. Contract your chest. Contract your lungs. Inhale. Expand your lungs. Expand your chest. Keep continuing. 1. 3 more time. Yes. 2 more. 1 last. Very good. Now just keep your hands. Now place your both palms on the floor in 1. Eyes closed. And take a 3 natural breath. Deep in and exhale out. And relax your shoulder. Very good one. Good job. Now again, just place your both fingertips on your elbows. Yes. Now do shoulder rotation. 1, 2, 3, 1. Come on, make a big circle. 4, 5. Feel the rotation on your shoulder. Yes, very good one. Anti-clockwise. 5, 4. Inhale and roll your shoulder back. 3, 4, 5. Good job, one. Very good, sir. Good job, one. Place your both palms on the floor. Give it a few breaths again. 1. Very good, one. Good job. So now here, raise your right hand up again. 1. Very good. And place your left palm back to body. 1. And press your both knees down. Take a deep breath in your up. Stretching our arms up more up. And exhale. Bend this on the left side. You want to hold here. Come on. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good job, one. Side change. Take a deep breath in and exhale. Very one. Good job and hold here. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good job, one. Now raise your both hand up. Good job. So now we have answer. Now place your both palm on the floor. Bend forward one. Just keep the chin up. Okay. With your fingers, just walk forward in one. Come on. Just walk forward. Yes. Stitching up. More up. Yes. More up. Yes. Now hold it for 5 count. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good job, one. Inhale, using hand more up. Yes, very good. Now place your both hand back. One. Just place your both hand back. Yes, keep your spine straight. Good job. Now keep your both legs straight. One. Now you both feet together, knees together, thighs together, and both palms back of your body. Yes, very good. Now you go on reverse Vendasana. Okay. So now inhale. Inhale, we hip and one up. Try to touch your big toes on the floor. And exhale. Drop your hip on the floor now. And during this practice, just try to focus on your shoulder now. Come on, again. Inhale. And exhale. 3 more. Inhale. And exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Last one. Inhale. Now inhale one. Just very. Now try to touch your big toes on the floor. Look back in one. Feel the strength in your shoulder, your elbows, and your wrist. Stay here for 5 count. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Drop your hip on the floor. Very good. Just keep breathing naturally. Inhale and exhale. Breath in, breath out. Breath in, breath out. Everyone. Now fold your both knees, everyone. Good job. Fold your both knees. Place your both palm back to the body. Now inhale. Keep your hip up. Head back. Come to tabletop position. Again, hold here for 5 breaths. Feel the strength in the arms. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Drop your hip on the floor. Good job, sir. Now, fold your both knees in one. Sit in the Vajrasana. Keep your spine straight in one. Very good. Good job. So now you just place your both palms on your knee. Just grab your knee one. Look forward. Yes, very good. Now inhale. Inhale. Push your chest front. Your shoulders back. And chin up. Very good. Exhale. Your chin on your collarbone. And push your chest back. Your shoulder front. Keep continuing. Inhale. Expand your lungs. And exhale. Keep continuing on. And remove the stiffness from the upper back. 1, 3, 2, 1. Very good. Good job, everyone. Very excellent. So now here, now raise your both hand in one up. Just raise your both hand in one up. This is very good. And exhale, bend forward. Again, just come to Shanasana one. Okay. Just walk with your finger. Yes, stretch your arm more forward in one. Just hold here. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good job, one. Very good. Okay. So now we want to come in the cat position. So now you take shoulder level distance between your both knees and between your both palms. Good job. And keep your every finger separate. Very good. So now you start rotation. 1, make a big circle and feel the change on your wrist, on your elbow, and on your shoulder. One. Come on. 3, 2, 1. Very good. Good job. Anti-clockwise. Yes. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good job, one. Very good. Now here, fold your both knees back side. Okay. Now we push up in one. 10 times. Okay. Just fold your knees in one back side. Good job. So exhale, bend your elbow, but don't drop your chest. Okay. and inhale the stomach. So keep coming on for 10 times. On 1, 2, yes, 3, 4, 5, good everyone, keep it up. 6, yes, very good. 7, yes. 8, 9, 10, very good one, good job. Just toes on the floor one, take a few breaths and feel the change on your shoulder, feel the change on your elbows, and stay here, a few breaths. Inhale and exhale, breath in, breath out, breath in, breath out, breath in, breath out. You want, good job, one, good job. So now here, now tuck your toes in, lift hip you want up, come into Dandasana. Come on, come into Dandasana, look forward. In the Dandasana, make sure you both knees straight. Okay, you both knees straight, your complete body parallel to the floor. Your shoulder and wrist in the one line. Just keep it gentle, lovely one. So now here, now we do mountain climbing. In the mountain climbing, just try to touch your knees with the elbow. So now start. 1, 2, 3, yes, very good. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good job, one. So now you just place your right elbow on your right knee and hold here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Very good. Very good one. Again, change. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And relax again. Just keep both legs back. Good job. Now come into the asana. Stay here for 5 breaths. Good job, one. Now drop your both elbows on the floor. Yes, very good. Inhale, elbows up. No, 1, 2, 3. Yes, good job. 4, 5. Very good one. Now drop both elbows on the floor. Just come to low plank. Look forward and hold it. 5, 4, 3. Good job. 1, 2, 1, and relax. Drop your knees on the floor. 1. Just come to Shavasana. Stay here for 10 breaths. And relax your arms. 1. Relax your shoulder. Relax your elbow. And relax your wrist. 1. Just stay here for a few breaths.